Hi guys, today I'm not so excited about the question I've been asked, but let me just answer it. The question is it possible to start again after you've lost everything? And my answer is yes. It's possible to start again. This is Financial Literacy Month series by Moneywise, and on this one we're getting a bit deep, so let us see how we go. My name is Rina Hicks, and I've been in the financial services industry for a long time. Part of that journey was shaken in 2016, 2017, actually beginning 2015. So there's a client we had, and we were doing a capital raise for them. And then after we finished doing the capital raise, this company that was listed on the stock exchange that was doing fairly well, about a year later, collapsed. Like, shut down, closed down. And as a result of that, then my department that helped to raise the money ended up being, what can I say? Let me say shut down by the regulator because of a minor an editorial change. Okay, so it was what I feel was unfair, but of course now I'm doing this on camera and it's my judgment, but whatever happened, happened. And the effect of that is that when you are in business and you have a regulatory action that is taken against you, it affects your ability to bounce back even after the time that you've been given. Okay, so it's like going to jail or like being accused of something. It's like that tag never leaves. And so you can imagine after 6 months, everything is now okay, we can now get business. People who are wanting to sign up, so we had all these foreign clients who were trying to sign up and they Google our name and then headline is whatever it was, right? So it was really tough. So in that season, I remember thinking, okay, so my department is not quite working right now. Let me figure out what do I want to do? What do I have? And what I had at that time was content. And I wanted to write a book. And so I started to write this book. And I wrote the book Moneywise in that season of trying to take my mind off the realities of what was going on around me. I finished Moneywise. And then when I finished Moneywise, I met some guys who said that they would be able to help me to market the book on social media. And that's how I started videos. I would never have done videos, guys. I'm a backstage person. Like, I like to be in the background. I like to do things quietly. And so it's been a struggle to kind of just be out there. But, you know, it was what I could do and I had the time. And so I thought, why not? So I started doing videos. And then after I did videos, I started to sell books. And beyond that, then started to be asked, oh, can you come speak here? Can you come do this? And over time, ended up setting up a business that would then do training, coaching, and content creation. Like, I would never have imagined that. And by the time I was now able to do this now, the business had picked up. People recognized the truth about what happened in that situation with that company. And my department is now thriving. But beyond the department thriving, I have a second business that was able to come out of this mess and is also doing fairly well. And so the question then I was asked is it possible to start again? Yes, it is. I think the lessons I've learned in the seasons, because that's not the only time I've lost, there's seasons, I've had to shut down 2 businesses actually. And so the times that I have lost, I think the thing that has kept me going is distracting myself with what I'm able to do. Yes, this is not working. What else do I have that I can keep my time occupied? Not so much to make money, but what can I do to make my time occupied so that eventually I can make something of it? And remaining positive and having a squad that is encouraging. People around me, friends who have encouraged me, who have supported me, a very supportive spouse who has enabled me to spend money doing these videos for you guys at a time when there was no income coming through. And I can tell you, it is amazing what support is able to do. So surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with voices that are helpful and can increase hope for you. Because I can tell you the worst thing that you can do to yourself when you're in a season of loss is to be in a space with others in that same season. It will kill you. Just remove yourself from that season and put yourself in a different reality. It might look like pretense, but I tell you, it will help you. It helped me and continues to help me in seasons of challenges. So please remain hopeful. It's going to work out at the end of the day. I know you may have lost a job, you may have lost a business, you may have lost money in an investment, but it's not the end of your story. It's the beginning of another beautiful one. So can you share with me, here's my question for this video, excuse me, a story of when you had to start again, and how did that go for you? Post it in the chat and share these videos. You're watching Financial Literacy Month series with Moneywise, and my name is Rina Hicks. Take care.